architecture, about the stage, about the lights, how acoustics have been murdered, massacred, about the seating arrangements, about the problems faced by the Kalakars when we had gone for inspection. You all were also there. He has blamed the media. He has blamed the artist. I believe the people are watching. Today they were not taken into confidence. We wanted an audit to be done because so 50 crores what was the need for it? Why was the IIT brought in to create an inquiry into it? These are issues that he was unable to answer. Chief Minister was also silent on it. These are very, very important issues because money of public is gone down the drain. Did the Kalakar get the water in the academy is what I asked. The AC that is put on top of the head of the roof. To me, substandard come, absolutely no reply, no accountability. This shows that this government is completely insensitive towards everyone. And this should not be a battle of egos. We wanted an audit. Why was IIT brought into it about this? Whether PWD is involved, then PWD is involved. The art and culture minister needs to be certain. With regards to we are with the Kalakar and we are with the artists, we are with their sentiments because they are genuinely today this place has been massacred. It has been like a monument of corruption. Right from day one we have seen the way the pain of the artist, and we don't want to politicize it. I am not an artist. This minister is an artist, like Kalakar, and the way he presented it looked like as if there was a movie going on, it was his way of it. But the reality, he didn't speak on the facts. AC चे उलयलना, साउंडाचे उलयलना, लायटीचे उलयलना, लोकां लिकेज जाते उलयलना. अरे हें उदो येयलें तें कितें आमी धाडलें थिंगा पंप घालून कितें पायप आमी घायल्ली एक कापीट जें पडोय तें कोणान सांगलें कलाकारान सांगलें एंड दे आर नॉट पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड. सो हूंय ना हूंय दीस हॅज बीन अ कंप्लीट फेलियर. दुसरे सकाळच्या वेळार जे आमी प्लेसीस ऑफ हिस्टॉरिकल इम्पॉर्टन्साचो इश्यू गेल्लो, द सेंटिटी ऑफ दीस प्लेसीस नीड टू बी मेंटेन्ड. जो मुख्यमंत्री सेनापती आशिल्लो तो भोंवत आसता गोंयभर तेका धाडटा तो पयलो मुखार. आनी म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय दे हॅव फेल्ड. I hope he has said now the press only highlighted gambler, ganja, old monk, काडानी सगळें चलता थिंगा. हें सगळें थिंग चलता. हें चलोन तांकां म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय सेंटिटी ऑफ द प्लेस इज डिस्ट्रॉयड. विथ रिगार्ड्स टू लोहिया मैदान थिंगा एक पॉटी आहलो तो फोटो दाखयला पॉटी कमोड दवरलो जें ओपन डेफिकेशन फ्री म्हणटा. सो वॉट डू वी सी? Absolutely questions their nationalism, their patriotism, whether they boast about it only during election. So I have said, they have said that within the next 2-3 months these places will be made of historical importance. With regards to the sports infrastructure, आमी जायत उलयले. National games हो मोठे 100+ जाले. तितून कितले भाड्याचे आहले, कितले गोंयकार आहले ते म्हाका दिसता तेणें सांगूंक ना. जे उदो घोंवताले, जे उदो वॉज कमिंग डावन from various infrastructure. Somehow there has been a failure. National Games was something that was projected in the last 10-15 years. But what actually happened? Why were these people not trained? Why the lack of coaches, lack of players? Why were imported players bought? No answer. Art and Culture Department, several other problems with Ravindra Bhavan. Everywhere you see Ravindra Bhavan, 2 crores is spent and it is still leaking. No classes, no absolutely directionless. Seems to be that these people are doing whatever they want. And with regards to RDA itself, several issues we have raised, they have no answers. You all have seen it. They are blaming the 4th pillar of democracy. That is all. I think you all should also question them because you all were also part of it.
Do you think it's a right PM minister for this Kalakar whom
PWD or the art and culture?
See, the art and culture says that the PWD had tender card. They were the agency. Whatever it is this PWD or art and culture, accountability needs to be fixed. You cannot just point fingers. Aaj maka faltu. You say who is the person involved. If PWD is involved, then make sure the action has been taken against all these people. Because it is public money moving down the drain. How can you do something like that? And how can we keep quiet? There has to be accountability.
Sir, कलाकार निधी स्कीम जी आहा त्याचो बेनिफिट जाता आर्टिस्टांक?
जायत स्कीम ह्यो स्कीम जायते बरें आमी काँग्रेस टायमार 10-15 वर्स पासून आसले तेणें एक्सेप्ट केला. हें स्कीम वाडपाक जाय म्हूण and we have said that it is not reaching to the nook and corner. हुई ना हुई जे नॉन गोवन आर्टिस्ट आहे तेंकाय जाय तो एजो हे मेळटा almost 18-19 lakhs have, but our Goan artists, they don't even have a directory of who are the artists. They don't even celebrate it. So what do you expect?